Hi there. You know what? The first time my friend asked me to switch my YouTube channel from Arabic to English, I was hesitant. I didn't know why. But while after that, I told myself, why not? Maybe I am gonna give my friends a good chance to follow me better and to cook like I am doing. And to some of them, to help them keeping themselves as healthy as I am trying to be. So, to all my friends, I say thank you for requesting that. And I am answering you, yes, I am on it. I am on it. For Arab people, it doesn't matter if I switch it in English, because I know you are all the time able to get information from all languages without difficulties. So thank you for staying with me. Love you all. Well, after this emotional introduction, let's go to work and make some French toast with less carbs, less fat, just healthy, quick, simple, cheap, and delicious. For this recipe, I need some bread, some milk, Italian seasoning, pinch of salt, and 1 egg. That are all ingredients I need for making French toast. Let's split the egg and keep the half shell. With the half shell, I'm gonna measure the milk the same amount between egg and the egg, using the same amount, a full egg and a full egg of milk, and then add a pinch of salt, just a little bit, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, not too much, and mix all ingredients. To make the eggs foamy. That's good. I leave it aside and I cut my bread. I remove the edges. I don't like to make French toast with the edges. And then I'm using my finger to cut slices of bread. This is my slice, as thick as my finger. I like to cook French toasts with avocado oil, either spray or liquid. You know why? Because avocado oil is healthy and it bears high temperatures with without turning to toxins quickly. So in my pan, I'm adding some avocado oil, not too much, not too much. I spread it on my pan. And I dunk my bread slice in the mixture of egg and milk, just from one side, and then I make it cooking. I do the same for other slices. I dunk them just from one side, and then I cook them. Once they are almost done, I dunk them again and put them back to the pan. And I check them. Yeah. When they are done, I return them like this. I return them without dunking them in eggs, to just make them crispy on the other side. My French toasts are golden from both sides. Eggs on this side, no eggs on this side, because this side is very crispy, and that gives your French toast crispy, crisp. You are gonna love it. We can eat them as they are, without adding anything. But if you want to top them, I'm gonna give you a sample of topping. For instance, I have here one avocado flesh. I can add some light sour cream to it, like 2 teaspoons. And make a cream. Make avocado paste with it. Please like, subscribe, share, and wait for the new.